In this video, I'll show you my interior design process. I'm Ula Burgiel and I'm an interior designer based in London. I've worked with the top interior designers, high-end developers and yacht designers. I've been designing high-end luxury interiors all around the globe in Hong Kong, New York, London. Today I'll tell you about how I design projects, what do I start with, how I get my inspiration. These are the stages of the interior design process. Stage 1. What is the project about? The first stage of the interior design process is to clarify what the project is about. Who is it for? Is it for a big family or is it for someone living on their own? The second thing is, where is it located? Is it in a city or is it somewhere out in the countryside? And then I think, how can I make it into a feature? Stage 2 of the interior design process is research. I've researched a lot about the area, what people lived there before, what happened there, any historical references, cultural references. I try to find out all the interesting stories. I study the local architecture and actually sketch the architectural features of the buildings. And I think, how can I show it in the project? Stage 3, the main idea and feel of the project. Once I've collected all the visual materials, I develop a main idea for the entire space. In other words, the spirit of the project. Is it a hidden exotic oasis or a vibrant space? What's the tone and feel? Is it a dark space with strong textured wood? Or bright, sleek, modern minimal? Stage 4, space planning. I use the architectural plan of the property. I tear off a piece of tracing paper. I trace over the plan. Within the walls, I design a new functional layout with all the furniture and features. It's very important because a well-designed house is not only beautiful furniture and colors, but a space that makes life easier and more enjoyable. Stage 5. Sketching three-dimensional views and designing your own unique features that no one else will have. This is actually my favorite part. I design every centimeter of the space, making it truly unique and exceptional. Sketching helps me think and visualize the space, and then I know exactly what I want to put in the design. It's almost like I think through sketching, and I can make conscious decisions about placing every bit of design in the space. Stage 6, finishes and materials. In this stage of the interior design process, I pick all the finishes and materials. I select stone samples, timber samples, metals, fabrics, rugs, everything that will be in the design. In other words, I dress the space. Stage 7, technical cut drawing. I make sure that all my designs work perfectly by drawing it in very precise CAD software. CAD, or computer-aided design, is a computer software for advanced technical documentation. Stage 8, 3D computer visuals. This stage shows you what the design will look like from a 3D, very realistic point of view. It's a computer-generated image that shows you the space without actually building it, like a photograph. To sum up, these are the stages of the interior design process. What is the project about? Research. the main idea and feel of the project, space planning, sketching, finishes and materials, technical CAD drawing, 3D computer visuals. That's it. Every interior designer does it slightly differently, but this is how I do it. If you like the video and want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Designing. Oh, I actually have it all here.